Wera has just sent us the Tool-Check Plus 1 toolkit. Great packaging. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Let's see how this opens up. Beautiful. I love the way it's all Wera products are packaged. Got little instructions on the back there. More instructions. It's nice and light. I'm surprised how light this toolkit is. A lot of their tools actually come in a case as well, which I believe you can get a case for these, but it's a different type of kit. You would think that these things would just fall out everywhere. Let's give it a bit of a shake test. And you know, that's just amazing. I'm even just putting a little bit of pressure on these things and nothing's just falling off. Yeah, it's very solid, very sturdy. This is quality. I don't know if you could buy a better toolkit that would beat Wera tools. So they are very professional. They're not for your average handyman, that's for sure. So let's dive in a little bit deeper and see what each piece does. Right, to start with, we've got a little locking mechanism on the side. And what that does, it opens it right up. This is another series. They've updated this model, and the last one used to come out to here. Now this one comes right open. So that's easier to get your fingers across there and take out whichever tool that you want. So that's great. So just shut it and that gets locked up. Just on the side here, we've got a screwdriver handle. Let's see if we can get that. So it's just a little lever there that you just lift up and that just pulls out. Very, very handy. It is for light work. And look, I know we're all tradies, but if you've got something like this, that's if you're away or it's part of your toolkit, you don't need a whole lot of boxes of other tools to try and make up this set. This is just, will be handy to get you out of trouble by using that. Just slide that back in here. We've got a quarter ratchet. Just feels like it's super smooth the way it's been made. Get your forward and reverse little lever there. Same thing. Everything's just, yeah, it's just great. And then you can also got this little part here that you can use it on your fingers. Forward or back. I'll flick that the other way and it just rotates the other way. So it depends on what you're screwing up. Could be facing that way. Doesn't matter which way, but yeah, that's a little handy tool. Change the direction and you're going back the other way. Great little ratchet. 1/4 inch rapid adapter, just sits in the side there. Same thing, it's well made. It's not going to fall out super easy. Drop this into your screwdriver handle, like so. And this little bit on the end here, that opens up so you can drop all your other bits. Depends on what you're actually working on. Sit that in there, drop that back. It will click and hold it in so it can't come out. So that's very good. I can even hold that as well. And you notice I'm turning that screwdriver and the bit can still move. Put that in, lock it, can't pull that out. Now I can hold that and turn it. So it just gives you a bit of stability, I guess. Or if it's rubbing up against something, it's not going to move while that's actually turning. So yeah, they've thought of a lot of things, Wera, put a lot of thought and ideas into it. And these are even separate sliders. One goes one way. For some reason why they've done that, probably just a different color to get the Wera colors. That'd be green and black. So that's that tool. Let's take that out. The bit can come out, click that back, and that fits back in there like so. Yeah, very handy. The next thing I'll talk about here is our hex to square adapter. It's 1/4 inch, just pulls out like so. And this actually fits in our little 1/4 inch ratchet. Then we can select what socket we want and they will just fit straight in there like that. So this is our hex to square 1/4 inch little drive. Doesn't matter what socket we've got, but yeah, you've got your 5.5, 6, 7 mil, 8, right up to 13. These all slide. So if you could get yourself another little clip, you could actually fit another socket on the end there. So that's another little idea. And these do move around. Just push that in there. Change your direction, depends on what you're using your sockets for. But yeah, just a very handy little kit to get you out of trouble. The other thing, just as a quick look, you'll notice that our little bits here are color coded. They're color coded for a reason. It's a take it easy tool finder system. So that's why it's all color coded. You know that all the Phillips are all red. You've got your flats yellow. You'll see some other kits and you will see that the flatheads are yellow. All the Phillips are red. The Torx are green. You've got your Allen sets, Allen keys, you know, they're blue. When you look down here, you've got your tamper-proof male Torx here for security, CCTV installers. You know, this can be used by so many different people in the industry, and especially you sparkies out there. You don't need to carry a lot of big, heavy toolkits. This is a one-stop toolkit that'll get you out of trouble, probably in most cases, to be honest. Lots of bits to choose from. You got your bi-torsion, these gold color ones here. They are very strong. These ones, the red for your Phillips. You've got your numbers there. Depends on the type of screws that you're using. We mainly use number 2s. So we've got 3 number 2s in this kit, which is very handy. But like you're saying, if you do any small terminals, then you can go down to your number 1 with your Phillips. So that's also very handy as well. You've got your screwdriver fitting there that you can sit them in. Just love it. It's just such a compact toolkit, to be honest. Another thing to mention, there's a handful of these kits on the market. So if you're into push bikes, cyclists, automotive, I think there's a couple of automotive ones out there, which will have different bits set up. So it depends on the industry that you're working on. Check these out because they'll have a kit suited to you. I'm recommending this one to the sparkies out there because there's so many tools in here that we actually use. So I love it. It's the Tool-Check Plus 1. Where do you get them? You can get them from Total Tools. They're about $159. You can also get them from Bunnings Special Orders. So check them out, but have a good look at them. If you're after a good quality toolkit and not just some cheap rubbish thing that's probably going to last you 12 months, you want something that's going to last you, then definitely go out and check the Wera tools and have a good look at this. The other places that you can put these, look, it's so small, you can have one in the house, one in the car if you want. Will I be buying another one? Yes, I will, because I'm not going to just move this around everywhere I go. So I'm definitely going to put one in the car and who knows, somewhere down the track I'll stick one in the house as well. So very handy little tool.